What's up, people? Welcome back to another episode. And today I'm going to show you 15 ways in which you can use right now to get to sleep super fast by tonight. Now, as you all know, being awake at night is due to your mind being super active and not being able to shut off the thoughts and images relating to the day that's just occurred, things from your past, or even events from the future that you're anticipating. Now, hopefully this list has something for everyone, so without further ado, let's jump straight into it. And the first method is turn off your electronics 1 hour before bed. Okay, this is extremely important as in today's age, we are constantly on our computers, on our phones, on our tablets, on our game consoles, watching TV, etc. Okay, this doesn't help relax your mind and prepare it for sleep. In fact, it does the complete opposite. It makes it become more active and more engaged. So if you're engaging in social media, watching YouTube videos, playing PlayStation, and then you try and go to sleep, your mind is in a super active state. You want to do the complete opposite in order to calm your mind down. This one method will help improve your sleep drastically, so I highly recommend it. Method number 2. Now that your electronics are switched off 1 hour before bed, you need to develop a sleeping routine. Okay? You want to take part in various activities in order to train and condition your brain into a relaxed state. So this could include having a bath, putting on your pajamas, meditation, reading a book, etc. Okay, you want to do this every single day, and over time your brain will develop a natural tendency to feel sleepy as you take part in these activities and your routine. Method number 3, increase your melatonin intake. Now, melatonin is a hormone that is produced by the pineal gland and it regulates our sleep. Now, I'm not going to say to you overdose on melatonin tablets, but what I am going to say is you want to try and increase your intake of natural melatonin foods, okay? And this includes such foods as bananas, morello cherries, porridge, sweet corn, rice, ginger, barley, tomatoes, and much more. There's a number of different foods that contain melatonin, and I'll leave a list in the description below for you to check out the rest. Method number 4, surprise, surprise, is melatonin supplements. If you have trouble in taking some of the foods that we mentioned previously, you can always pop to your local supermarket store or supplement store and ask for melatonin in capsule form. Now, obviously, you'll probably get more melatonin from this supplement as it's being concentrated into a capsule. However, we recommend you try the natural method and eat food which naturally produce melatonin. Method number 5, meditation. This is personally my favorite method and I think it's probably the most effective method. Meditation allows you to declutter your mind, calm your emotions, settle your thoughts, and it always puts you in a relaxed state. Now, there are 2 types of meditation which I personally believe are really effective in putting you to sleep. Number 1, sit on a chair, straighten your back, close your eyes, and just focus on your breath for 10 minutes. The idea is you'll be so focused on your breath that you won't have the time to engage with your mind and add to the existing thoughts which are firing off in your mind. Meditation also allows you to calm and settle down your emotions, which is really effective in getting to sleep. Now, the second variation in this meditation practice is what I like to call the 5 5s. Now, this method can be used to calm down anxiety. So if you suffer from anxiety, use this technique also. It's also really effective in calming your body down when you want to go to sleep. Basically, all you want to do is inhale through your nose for 5 seconds, hold your breath for 5 seconds, exhale through your mouth for 5 seconds, relax for 5 seconds, and then do the same process again 5 times. Okay, by doing this, you're going to naturally relax your body, settle your emotions, and calm your mind down. Okay, give it a try when you're anxious, give it a try when you're trying to get to bed, and you'll naturally notice that your body becomes more relaxed. If you'd like to know more about meditation and learn various other techniques, I'm going to leave some resources in the description below, so definitely check that out. Now, method number 6 is read a book. One of the best ways to make yourself tired is to read a book an hour before bed. Maybe you want to incorporate it into your night routine, which we mentioned in method 2. Now, just a heads up, this doesn't work for everyone, especially if you're an avid reader. If you don't read books, I strongly recommend you try this technique, as you'll be asleep in no time. Method number 7 is what I like to call black out your room and sleep in complete darkness. By doing this, you are eliminating any potential light sources from interfering with your sleep. You'll also notice that when you are asleep and you are in complete darkness, your body will naturally be more relaxed. I recommend getting blackout blinds from your local DIY store, using blackout curtains, and hell, if you can't afford those, I knew someone that used black bin liners to block out light sources in their room. Method number 8. If you're uncomfortable sleeping in the dark or you need to keep the light on for whatever reason, then I recommend you invest in a sleep mask. This will allow you to sleep in the light whilst giving your body the perception of darkness and hopefully improve your sleeping throughout the night. You can find these on Amazon for really cheap, like $3 to $4, so I strongly recommend investing in one. And hell, if you want to go the extra mile, I recommend sleeping in the dark and sleeping with the sleep mask on. Method number 9, sleep on the correct side. Now apparently sleeping on your right side can lead to acid reflux and gastrointestinal problems due to the way your stomach is aligned, and this naturally interferes with your sleeping pattern. You want to train your body over time to sleep on the left hand side, which is actually a lot more difficult than you think it is if you have a tendency to sleep on the right. However, over time you can condition your body to sleep on the correct side, and hopefully that will lead to you having a better night's sleep. Method number 10. Do not toss and turn when you're trying to get to sleep or throughout the night. Now the reason we toss and turn is because we want to find a nice comfortable position to sleep in. However, by continuously tossing and turning, we're making our body more restless, which leads us to staying awake longer. Find a comfortable position, whether it be your left side or your right. Technically should be your left because of the problems I mentioned in the previous method, but find a position that's really comfortable for you and then train yourself to stay still in that position until you fall asleep. Number 11, empty your bladder before you go to bed. Now it's commonly known that men have larger bladders than women and can therefore intake more fluid and not feel the need to pee as often. However, when your body wants to pee, it's going to force you to take notice. And if your body wants to pee during the night, it's going to interfere with your sleep. Take a nice long hard-earned pee before you hit the sack, and you should be able to avoid this problem completely. Number 12, if you wake up during the night, go straight back to sleep. If you stay awake long enough, your body will naturally become more active and start engaging in the usual processes that you would do when you wake up in the morning. Now, of course, if you wake up and you need to go for a pee, then go and do that. However, if you're randomly waking up, then go straight back to bed. Otherwise, you run the risk of staying awake and it will be twice as hard to get back to sleep. Number 13, massage. Now, all of us know when you receive a nice, relaxing massage, we have the tendency to fall asleep almost instantly. Okay, if you've got a partner, get them to give you a nice rub down before bed, or even invest in a massage machine off Amazon. They do just as good of a job, and hopefully you'll be asleep in no time. Method number 14, have a bath. You want to have a bath probably like an hour before bed and incorporate it into your routine, which we mentioned in method 2. The reason this works so effectively is because your body temperature rises when you're in the bath and then rapidly falls once you're out. This process naturally leaves you in a sleepy and relaxed state, making it easier for you to doze off. Method number 15, listen to relaxation music. There are some amazing pieces out there that will help you get into that relaxed state that we've been talking about throughout this video. To find a whole library of these pieces, I recommend you search on YouTube, relaxation music, sleep music, meditation music. You'll find hours upon hours of different pieces which you can use. But yeah, those were our 15 methods in getting to sleep. Let us know which one was your favorite, and I'm sure if you use at least 5 of these, you'll have a much better sleep going forward. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, as we got more videos like this coming out during the week. Thanks for watching, people, and have a good night's sleep. Peace.